Hey guys, what is up? I'm finally back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you how I got this delicious caramel brown color on this wig that I've had for quite some time. This is the wig previously colored, and what I did to achieve that previous color that you saw there, which was kind of brassy gold, was L'Oreal's bleach. I use a 40 and a $30 volume, developer, and that's how I got those two tones in the hair. So I was just dipping my brush back and forth in the 30, in the 40, not really no rhyme or reason, just back and forth in the 30 and the $40 volume developer with the bleach mixture, and that's how I got that brassy color. So now I'm going in with the Wella Color Charm T18. I have two packages. I'm going to mix those both together with a $40 volume developer. I would have gone in with a 20, but I didn't have a 20 right now, so I'm just mixing it with
as
the
I'm
40.
putting this all over the wig, like I said, just make sure that you are saturating your unit fully, because you don't want to have some parts of your unit toned and other parts not toned. So just make sure that you are fully going over your wig and making sure you covered everything completely. And I flipped it over to make sure I'm getting the back side of it, basically underneath. Like if you were to put your hair back into a ponytail or something, making sure you get the part underneath, the hair underneath, so it is fully saturated. Okay, so I got it all saturated basically, and now what I'm going to do is take it to the shampoo bowl, where I'm going to wash it with the purple shampoo, the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. And I also have some purple conditioner. I don't believe that it's Shimmer Lights, but thank you, baby. So my baby wanted to sing happy birthday to me, and I'm not editing this, just to let you guys know I had to let that go. Shh, okay. So I got it fully saturated, and like I said, I'm going to be washing and conditioning it with purple shampoo, just to make sure everything is toned down and ready to go. So this is the purple shampoo I use to shampoo and condition the hair. Now I'm going in with the Wella Color Charm color in 2NN. I'm sorry, 5NN. And I'm mixing it with the 40 developer again. It is a chestnut brown. A chestnut brown. What you do not see me do here, I repeat, what you do not see me do here, I repeat, what you do not see me do here is I splashed like 3 squirts of Adore off black semi-permanent color. I mixed that in with this color. That's what I did. I mixed Adore off black semi-permanent color in with this chestnut brown to give me a nice rich dark color for my roots. I only said that 3 times because of my lock video. People gave me so much havoc. So anyways, this is me bleaching the roots. What I did do was I took my Got To Be Glued spray and sprayed the inside of my lace. Sprayed the inside of my lace closure so I would not get any color on my lace. Spray the inside of your lace closure so you do not get any color on your lace. Once you have sprayed the inside of your lace closure with the Got To Be Glued so you don't get any of the dark color on your lace, you can go in while your hair is still wet and touch up your roots. I'm touching up my roots, like I said, because I didn't want the brown color all the way through. I wanted my roots to be just a little bit dark. I wanted them just to be a little bit dark. So that's why I'm going through. Now I realize that this may not be all in the frame. I'm so sorry, you guys. But once I get the hang of this editing thing, don't jock me. I'm just saying. Anyways, you know what I'm doing. All I'm doing is touching up the roots. Turn your brush sideways sometimes just to give it that little type of ombre effect. But y'all know what to do. If you want a full video on just me touching up the roots of something, just let me know. I've got plenty of units that I can show you guys how to do that on. Anyways, I'm just touching up my roots with the off black, chestnut dark rich color. So that's what I'm doing now. And right now I'm at the salon and I'm doing this. I think I'm going to be doing most of the videos, hair videos anyways, at the salon. It's just easier for me as far as tools, as far as, products and different things that I need. It's going to be better for me to do the videos there, and I can get more videos out that way in between, like classes and being at the salon. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just kind of pulling the brown down. I'm just freestyling, you guys. Like, I promise you, it's just a freestyle. Do you, boo? Freestyle. What I'm going to do with this last section of the video, I'm going to just, see I'm putting some of that in my hands. I rubbed it in my hands, and now I'm rubbing it through the hair. Y'all see what I'm doing? I am rubbing it, literally rubbing it through the hair. The freestyle. After I washed it, blow dried it, this is the lovely color that I ended up with. I hope you guys love this hair color. I hope you check out our body wave hair. I also, have raw hair. I have, just the regular body wave hair. Those who wear hair, you know what I mean. I have raw hair and I have virgin hair. So definitely check those out. I will put all the links below. Look at that body. Yeah. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys for rocking with me all these years. And I'm sorry about the consistency. But guess who's Bizak? Check it out. Let me model for y'all. Oh. Ow. Get it, girl. I'm talking to Bridget. She pumping me up. Look at her. Quit it, Bridget. I ain't playing with you. So you see my roots are nice and dark. My curls are popping. And I'm ready. And my unit is flawless. I've had this unit at least 1.5 years. So definitely check us out, you guys. I love you as always. And thank you for watching and subscribing. Mwah.